my video, guys. Please watch my video, guys. Today I'm playing fishing.
Hello, Achirra.
Hello, Father.
What are you going to do today?
Fishing!
You're going to do fishing.
Yes!
Yes! I got some surprise for you. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Ta-ta! As you're fishing, hang on.
I like this fishing.
You like the fishing?
Yeah.
Wow, what's in here now? Can I check it, please? So that's called gonna fishing. They have 2 batteries. Let's say the battery is not included. So I'm gonna give you 2 batteries. Hang on, that's dangerous. I can hold it, okay? And you need some screwdrivers to remove the cover. I got it 2 screwdrivers. One for me, one for you.
I want the small one.
Okay, so hang on. I'm gonna keep it in the side, okay? We need to open the box first. Are we ready to open the box?
Yes.
Please wait, darling.
Yeah.
Okay, before open the box, can you sing a baby shark song for me?
Okay. Baby shark doo-doo-doo. Baby shark doo-doo-doo. Baby shark doo-doo-doo. Baby shark. Mommy shark doo-doo-doo. Mommy shark doo-doo-doo. Mommy shark doo-doo-doo. Mommy shark. Daddy shark doo-doo-doo. Daddy shark doo-doo-doo. Daddy shark doo-doo-doo.
Daddy shark.
Brother shark doo-doo-doo. Brother shark doo-doo-doo. Brother shark doo-doo-doo.
Brother shark.
Sister shark doo-doo-doo. Sister shark doo-doo-doo. Sister shark doo-doo-doo.
Sister shark. Wow, that's nice, Achi darling. Okay, so we're gonna open the box now. Okay, you know how to open the box? Can I help you? On the side, on the side, on this side. Okay, here.
Something like that?
Yep.
Oh, wait. Really funny. Come on.
I can help you. Hang on, I can help you. Ta-da! Uh-oh. Hi, Achirra.
Hey, Mama.
So, we got the gonna fishing today, okay?
Yeah, this
So we got the fishing set. We got the 15 fishes. Can you count it? How many there? 1, 2, count it. 2, no, yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One is missing. One is missing. One is missing. I find it. 15. Got it? 15. Okay. So we got 15 fishes, okay? And we got 4. We got 4 fishing poles, okay? Fishing poles. And we got 2 batteries. Okay. Can we do start now? First we gonna careful. First we gonna remove the battery cover.
Yeah. But it's not going to be work. It's not going to be work.
There's no battery there. We're gonna keep our battery. 2 AA batteries. Hang on. Wait.
Where's back to the go with that
Okay.
one?
Then put the cover back. Okay. It's ready for you now.
Look.
Okay. 1, 2 fish. Uh-oh. Yellow fish. Red fish.
Two red fish.
Yes, I'm gonna show some more. I'm gonna do this, okay? Green fish. Red fish. Pink fish. blue fish, pink fish, yellow fish, red fish, and pink fish. We got a 3 yellow fish, 3 green fish, 3 red fish, 3
pepper fish.
no, that's a blue one. Okay, that's 3 blue fish and 3 pink fish. Okay, go. Take the fishing pole. Up one for me, please.
For you?
Yes. Okay, catch it, catch it, catch it.
I got it.
I got it one.
I got it on.
Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it.
I got it on. Come on.
No, no, no. Use one hand. I got it too. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
I'm going to win. I'm going to win.
Let's see, let's see, let's see.
Come on. I got 6. The other one. I got it. I got it. I lost. Get it. I got it.
You keep it on the wrong side, darling. You keep it on the wrong side. Turn it other side, please. Yeah, that's right. Catch it now. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do.
Let's start from inside.
Okay.
Open your mouth.
Open the mouth. Open the mouth. Open the mouth. Oh my God.
I got it ready.
You got the red one. Okay. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
Me.
Ready, ready, ready. Come on, come on, come on. I missed it.
You don't
I
miss
missed it. I missed it. I got it.
Come on. Not fish. Open. Open.
No, don't use 2 hands. Only 1 hand. Don't cheating.
I can't. 1, 2, 3, go. Fishing.
Fishing, fishing.
Open.
Achirra shark, do 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 do. Achirra.
Stop. Stop it.
Stopping.
No stopping it. No stop.
Uh-oh.
I got it.
You got it. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Uh-oh, I missed it.
You missed it.
I missed it. I missed it.
Open.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
I didn't get it.
Uh-oh.
Stop missing it.
I got it. No.
Stop missing it.
It's okay. Come on, play again. There's only 2 more left. Who's gonna win?
Come on. I got one. We can do it again. We need to do it again. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay.
That's all.
Uh-oh, Achirra got it.
I got one.
You got a one. I'm gonna try this. Come on, I need to win. Come on, I need to win. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Uh-oh, I missed it.
Missed it.
I missed it again.
I got 2 men of them.
Okay, try it, try it, try it. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
I got it.
No, that's cheating.
Open them.
No, that's cheating.
Fish. Oh, come on. Stop. Come on, fish. Where are you? Come on. Come on.
Hang on.
I'll get it for you.
No, that's for you. If you got it, you win it. If I got it, I win it. Come on, who's gonna win?
Come on. It's too hard. I got you.
Uh-oh.
You have mine.
Okay, change it. Still I'm going to win.
I got your fish. Oh, and a fin.
That's cheating.
Got it. Open.
No, you can't do like that. That's cheating.
Get
Achirra got it. You got it, so it's yours.
Yeah.
Okay? So, off the machine, please. So we're gonna count it. How many we got it, okay?
I'm going to do
No,
it.
no. Go in mine first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god, Achirra win this game.
Now wait again.
Oh, Achirra win this game.
Oh, it's so much. I want to play again. That was good. Friends, I want to do again. Let's go. Thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. Click about it. Bye.
Hope you like our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.